everyone. Thank you for joining us at Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is, it is what it is. The phrase, it is what it is, means that a situation cannot be changed, so you have to accept it as it is. It's often used when something is disappointing or unavoidable, but the speaker wants to move on rather than dwell on it. This phrase is a way of showing acceptance or resignation about something. It implies that there's no point in complaining or trying to fix the situation because it's beyond your control. It's often used in casual conversations and can sound neutral or slightly philosophical. So here are some sentences that help us understand how to use it while speaking English. I didn't get the job I wanted, but it is what it is. I'll try again next time. The weather ruined our picnic plans, but it is what it is. We'll have fun indoors instead. We don't have enough time to redo the project, so we'll submit it as it is. It is what it is. So give it a try, use it in some conversation, and sound like a natural in English. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.